Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Notepad not working in Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps. Type Notepad in search bar, click 3 dots, click Uninstall. Open Microsoft Store. Download and install Notepad. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps, click 3 dots, click Advanced Options. Repair and reset. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.